ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
अयवन्
अय्युन् विलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔज्
ऐऔज्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङणनं
ञमङणनं
जभैन्
जभै
ढदश्
घटदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपचठथ चटतौ
छटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
अकुगविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अपुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा
तुलसानां दन्ताः
लिटुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानां ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यामाङाणनासिका च
नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्टम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्टम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
मे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे राम मामुद्धर
Did you try the homework Chakaranta Shabda? Jalamuch.
Yes, Sharanji.
वणिज शब्द आहे तो.
Yeah, okay. So the rule Kavarga replaced by Chavarga at the end of the Padam are followed by Jal. That is the main rule. Choho Kuhu, that is the sutra for Jalamuch. Similarly, the next one is Vanij. Vanij also same rule only. Vanij, Jakara. Jakara belongs to Chavarga letter. So Jakara will be replaced by Gakara. And Gakara, if it is Padanta Jal, what will happen?
Kar.
Therefore, you get Vanik. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Vanik. Can you all follow this? Understand Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, why it is Vanik?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You want me to do it? If you want, I will do it. If you know it, we can skip. Vanij becomes Vanik. Vanik. Vanig and then Vanik. First rule is Jakara replaced by Gakara. Oh, you get Vanig. Now Padanta Jal. Right? Padanta Jal. So followed by nothing. So what will happen? Chartva Vidhi. Chartva Vidhi number 1, number 2 is that when followed by Kar, it will be replaced by Char. Jal will be replaced by Char. And for Padanta also, optionally, it will be replaced by Char. Chartva Vidhi. So by that, you get Vanik. After that, Vanijau, Vanijaha, it's all simple. Vanik, Vanijau, Vanijaha, Vanijam, Vanijau, Vanijaha, Vanija, Vanik, Bhyam. Here Gakara remains. Just Vidhi number 2. The first one is Kutvam. Chavarga replaced by Kavarga. And then after Kutvam, you apply Justvam number 1, Justvavidhi number 1, and then Justvavidhi number 2. Even though Justvavidhi number 2 doesn't cause any change, but to be applied. So Vanikbhyam, Vanikbihi, Vanikbhyam, Vanikbhyaha, Vanikbhyam, Vanikbhyaha. Then Vanijam, Vanikshu. Here we know Vanikshu. Same like the Pratama Bhakti Ekavachana. Kakara will be there, followed by Su. Pratyaya Sakara. preceded by ku will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. Shaktum happens. Vanikshu. Similarly, Bishaj, Utabuj, Ritvij, all these Shabdas. Okay, if you want me to do, I will do it. If you know this, then we can skip. Can you follow this Vanish Shabda? Or can you do on your own?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes, Sharanji.
Okay. So here, Evam, Bishaj, Hutabuj, Ritvij. Did you try that? Any of this?
Yes, Sharanji.
Okay. So here, Ritvij, the Shabda Ritvij, we can take. I will do Ritvij. Why Ritvij? Ritvij, the word Ritvij, in addition to applying this Kutpam, another Kutpam also to be applied. In the Shabda Manjari, they will not give all this thing. But when we study the rules, there you will see. So Ritvij is one more thing we have to see in Ritvij. One more rule. The form doesn't change. The form will be same as Vanij only, the same thing. But one more rule is there, Ritvij. We'll see that now, Ritvij. How it is declined, how it is derived. I'll copy the same thing. Jalamuch. Copy and bring Ritvij. Before seeing this Shabda, let me say something about this Ritvij, the Shabda, and one important rule with regard to Ritvij. Ritvij is a Shabda which has a certain pratyaya. Ritvij has got certain pratyaya. The word Ritvij, it is Rit. That is Ritvij is the name of the priest. Ritvij. First, we'll till the pratyaya. The pratyas what are added. What is the pratyaya which is added to this Shabda Ritvij? In Sanskritam, we have pratyas like this. Pip. Have you heard this pratyaya Pip? You will see these pratyas later. Pip. Important pratyaya Quip. What is the content of this pratyaya Quip?
Yes, 0.
It is 0. It is a 0 content pratyaya. The suffix Quip is a 0 suffix. The content is nothing. And what is the point in adding this pratyaya? When you add this pratyaya, you get a pratipadikam. This pratyaya is a kridanta pratyaya. Therefore, it is added to a dhatu. When this is added to dhatu, what you get is a pratipadikam. So the job of this pratyaya is only to convert a dhatu into a pratipadikam. A dhatu cannot be declined. When you decline dhatu cannot be declined. It has to be made into a pratipadikam. How can you convert a dhatu into pratipadikam? By adding krit pratyaya. Shabda can be converted to pratipadikam by adding a tadita pratyaya. Already a pratipadikam is there. So you want to convert a pratipadikam into another pratipadikam. We have a set of pratyayas called tadita pratyaya. Like the words are there, Saukyam, Daurbalyam. Saukyam, the word comes from Sukam. Sukam is declinable. Sukha, like Palashabda, Sukam, Dukkham. Similarly, Durbala. Durbala means weak. From that Durbala, you get another pratipadikam, Daurbalyam, Saukyam. Word Dasharati and all Tadita. Derived from the word Dasharatha. Dasharatha Pratipadika, like Ramashabda. And Dasharatha becomes Dasharati, denoting the son of Dasharatha. It's a Pratipadikam. So a Pratipadikam can be converted to another Pratipadikam by adding Tadita Pratyaya. Those Pratyayas are different anyway. So similarly, a dhatu can be converted to a pratipadikam by adding krit pratyaya. That we know already, we have seen. The krit pratyaya adding, we get a pratipadikam. The kridanta we have seen pra pratyaya, tumun pratyaya, lep pratyaya. Adding that, what you get? You get a pratipadikam, but it happens to be an avyayam. So avyayam is not declinable. So it's avyaya padam. We are going to see after that other pratyayas, shatra, shana, chandal. So you will get a pratipadikam and is declinable. Okay. So now here, the kvip pratyaya is a krit pratyaya. So what you get is a kridantam. Kridantam is pratipadikam. Kridantam is pratipadikam. What is a pratipadikam? Okay. What is a pratipadikam?
अर्थवत् धातुः अप्रत्ययः कृतदित समासश्च प्रातिपदिकम्.
Pratipadikam. What do you understand by the word pratipadikam?
Noun base.
Noun base.
Noun base, yeah.
Yes. But the definition of pratipadikam is arthavat adhatuhu apratyayah pratipadikam. That is the definition of a pratipadikam. A pratipadikam, we will see that later. Just know the simple the term pratipadikam, what it means according to Panini Maharishi. He has defined pratipadikam. Arthavat adhatuhu apratyayah pratipadikam. A pratipadikam must be a meaningful word, must be meaningful shabda. It should not be like a meaningless kakapuka, damadama. All these are meaningless. So it can't be a pratipadikam. It should be a meaningful noun base. And it must not be a dhatu. Dhatu cannot be pratipadikam. And a pratyaya also cannot be a pratipadikam. You cannot decline a pratyaya. Maybe in the Vyakaranam, in the Sutra, the pratyaya may be declined. That is different. That is for the sake of the Sutra, the pratyayas are defined. But in the Vyavahara, the Shabda means it must be a meaningful Shabda, meaningful word. It must not be a dhatu, and it must not be a suffix. It must not be a pratyaya. That is why in the definition itself, the negative particle is arthavat adhatuhu, na dhatuhu adhatuhu, na pratyaha apratyaha. Arthavat must be having meaning. It must be meaningful. So arthavat adhatuhu apratyaya pratipadikam. This is one. Then the pratipadikam, the sanya, the name is further extended to saying kritadita samasascha. That which ends with Krit pratyaya or tadita pratyaya or samasa. Samasa means compound. Samasanta, the compound, a compound also can take a pratyaya. A form will be there. That is a pratipadikam. So therefore the kridanta. Now when you say kridanta, kridanta is a pratipadikam. Krit anta shabda, that is a pratipadikam. Krit antam, like ting antam is padam, krit antam is pratipadikam. Similarly, taddita antam is pratipadikam. Samasanta is pratipadikam. Samasanta means samasa, a formed which can take a pratyaya, and the resultant will be a pratipadikam. So this is the pratipadikam, the definition of pratipadikam, noun base. And the noun base, when you add ting pratyaya, sup pratyaya, it becomes a padam. Okay. So now here the kvip pratyaya is a krit pratyaya. It's a zero suffix. The content is zero. How it is zero, that it's out of scope. We will see that later. Now let us see the words, the letters in the pratyaya. It is kvip. Kakara plus vakara plus ikara plus pakara. This happens to be a kit as well as pit. Both. Kvip is a kit pratyaya as well as pit pratyaya. Pakara also it. And this e, that is also it only. It is the nasalized. So everything goes away. The content is zero. That's why it's called a zero suffix. Zero suffix is not new. We have in English also zero suffix. The famous example of Swamiji, pot plus pot maker is called, what do you call a pot maker? Pot
Potter.
plus
Potter.
er. The er is a suffix, potter, right? Pot maker, potter. Similarly, suppose a think will become thinker. The er is the suffix, adding which you get the person doing that action. Fine. What about cook plus er? Is it a cooker? Cooker is the instrument. It is cook only, denoting the person who cooks. A potter is one who makes a pot. A thinker is one who thinks. A cook is not. A cooker is not. If you say cooker, a cooker is not which does cooking. Cook plus er denotes a person. A cooker may be doing the cooking job, that is different. But what happens to the er? The er has become lopaha. In English itself, it is er becomes lopaha. It's a zero suffix. Cook plus er is only cook only. There is no cooker. So similarly, in Sanskritam also we have zero suffix. One is kvip. Similarly, another one we have only two zero suffixes. Other one is kvin. Other one is kvin pratyaya. The content is the kakara plus vakara plus ikara and nakara. This is also pin. This pin pratyaya, that is a pratyaya we are interested now, not the kvip. Kvip is a famous pratyaya, just to show you. The word Upanishad comes by adding this pratyaya. That's why I introduced this. The word Upanishad, how you get that? Upanipurvasya Shadra Dhatu Ho Kvip pratyaya bhavati. Shadra Dhatu. Shadlu plus kvip. Bhashyakara says, in the Kabashim you will see. Shadlu. What is Shadlu? Lu is ith letter. Shad Dhatva Dekhe. Dhatu Aupadeshika dhatu beginning with Murdhani Shakara will become Danti Sakara. So sa, Upanisa, then quip when you add. The content of quip is 0. So you get Upa, Ni and Sad. What will happen to Sa? What Sakara is this? What Sakara is that? Adesha Sakara.
Padanta.
Huh? What is it?
Padanta Sakara.
Apadanta Sakara, and it is Adesha Sakara. Adesha Sakara, because it has come in the place of Murdhani Shakara. And it is preceded by Ni, E. So what will happen? Becomes again Murdhani Shakara. So you get Upanishad. So Dhatu is Shadlu. Dhatu is Shad, Shadlu. Lu is the letter. Shakara is replaced by Sakara, that we know. Aupadeshika Dhatu beginning with Murdhani Shakara will be replaced by Danti Sakara. That is Shatvam. Shatvam number 1, you can say. Right? Shatvam number 1. Then adding Pip Pratyaya. Pip Pratyaya, Krit Pratyaya. Added to Dhatu only. Dhatu having Upasarga. That's okay. So Pip Pratyaya added to Dhatu. Adding this, what you get is Upanishad. And this Sakara is Apadanta Adesha Sakara, preceded by E. Therefore, we have seen in or ku precedes, and there are no intervening letters. Even the intervening letters are there. It could be Sharanum and all we have seen. So only those letters only one time allowed. Sharanum, Vyavaye Api. So, therefore, preceded by E and no intervening letters here, therefore Sakara becomes Murdhani Shakara. So you get Upanishad. Now it is Dakaranta Shabda. You will see the definition of this Shabda also later. Upanishad is Strilinga Shabda. So that this Upanishad, the word is important. Why? Because the Kvip Pratyaya is added. Okay, that is the context. Now we are interested in Kvin Pratyaya. There are some words which can take Kvin Pratyaya. Some words which can take Kvin Pratyaya. Like this Ritvij. Ritvij is a Shabda which has a Kvin. Which has a Kvin. Ritvij. So it is a Ritvij is a Pratipadikam which has the Kvin Pratyaya, that is 0 suffix added. 0 suffix added. So therefore it is a Kvin Anta. It is a Kvin Anta. Kvin Anta Pratipadikam. How the word Ritvij comes, if you ask, Ritvij. It is derived like this. It is Ritu. Ritu plus Ritu is the Upapadam. Ritu is the Upapadam and Yaj Dhatu. Yaj is the Dhatu. Yaj is Yajane. Yaj Dhatu. Yaj is Yajane Pujayam. So Ritu, Upapada, Yaj Dhatu and Kvin Pratyaya. Kvin is what Pratyaya? It's a Kit Pratyaya. And what will happen to Yaj? Yakara will be replaced by Ikara. Ikara will be replaced by Ikara. This you don't know, just listen. That much is enough now. You will see that later. How Ritvij the word comes, as I'm explaining. Ritu is the Upasarga. Yaj the Dhatu. Kvin is the Pratyaya. Kridanta Pratyaya. 0 suffix Pratyaya is added to Yaj. Now, Yaj, the Yakara becomes Ikara. Can you tell me what it is that? What is that? Yakara becoming Ikara.
Samprasaranam.
It is fresh. We have seen in the last class, remember? The last class, the word Samprasaranam is introduced. Yes or no?
Yes,
we said.
yes,
Hmm.
we remember.
Reversal
sir.
of the yen sandhi is called samprasarana.
Yeah.
So samprasarana happens. Why it happens and all we will see later. Just to tell you, because ikara is going to be replaced, I'm going to type ikara. So samprasarana happens. And the queen is zero suffix. So that content is nothing. So ritu plus ij will become what sandhi? Ritvij. You get ritvij. Yen sandhi. Ritu is upapada. Okay. So ritu plus ich, you get ritvij. But what is ritvij now? It is a quin anta pratipadikam. Right? It is a quin anta. We don't see the quin because it is a zero suffix, therefore you don't see. But it is a quin anta. Okay. Now, if you have any doubts, you can ask. You have any doubts so far?
No,
No, Sharanji.
Okay. Because the Ritvij is given in the Shabda Manjari along with Vanij, but it is a distinct Shabda. Distinct Shabda in the sense it Kuttam only happens, but Kuttam happens by some other rule, not by the Kuttam we know. There are two Kuttams. One Kuttam you know, Chavarga replaced by Kavarga, that is one Kuttam. The second Kuttam, which we are going to see now, because of which only this Ritvij is declined, like Vanij becomes Ritvik and all. So for that we should know the pratyas, zero suffix, quip and quin and all. So that is why introduced. So now we have seen the Ritvij. It is derived from the dhatu, yaj dhatu, and upapada. Upapadam is the padam which is pronounced along with, that is called upapadam. So ritu plus yaj plus quin, when you add, then samprasaranam happens. So you get the pratipadikam, ritvij. Now you see ritvij is quinanta pratipadikam. Quin is krit pratyaya. Therefore kridanta. Kridanta is pratipadikam. Krit pratyaya and kridanta is pratipadikam. Krit antam pratipadikam. Need to remember this. The definition. Krit tatita samasascha pratipadikam. Kridanta is pratipadikam. It's not kridanta only pratipadikam. Pratipadikam, the first definition is arthavat adatuhu apratyaya pratipadikam. Then the pratipadikya sanya is extended to kridanta also. Krit antam also pratipadikam. Taddita antam also pratipadikam. Samasa antam also pratipadikam. This ritvij is you derived. You derive from the dhatu, adding krit pratyaya. Therefore, it's a pratipadikam. Derived from the dhatu, h. There are some pratipadikam which are not derived. It is there. They are rudi shabdas, not derivable. Those are pratipadikam. But those must be arthavat, must not be a dhatu, must not be a pratyaya. Arthavat adatuhu apratyaya. But this is a derived pratipadikam from the dhatu. So now we got ritvij. It is quin anta pratipadikam. Now let us see what happens to this. Jakarantaha pullingaha ritvij shabdaha. Ritvij means priest. Vaidika, the priest is called ritvij. Now ritvij plus su. We know the su, the content is sakara. Pratama vibhakti ekavachana pratyaya. It just is dropped. Lopaka bhavati. When it follows a consonant. The consonant following su, sakara is dropped. Consonant following sakara, remember. So that's why it is just dropped. It's a rule. The rule also, that is a rule. Sutra is a long sutra, but the meaning of that sutra is this. The sakara, which follows the consonant, is dropped. Simple way of understanding that sutra. So you get ritvij. Now, ritvij plus sakara becomes ritvij. After that, what happens? After that, what happens? You can apply the Kutva Vidhi.
Kutva Vidhi.
What you know, yes. Chavarga, Jakara is Chavarga, followed by not followed by anything, not followed by Jal, but it is a Padanta Jakara. It has become a Padam now. Because the Pratyaya so is added. So Padanta Chavarga will be replaced by now Gakara. You get Ritvig. You get Ritvig. So applying Kutva, it becomes Ritvig. Now, after this, what will you apply? Anybody?
Chatva.
Cha-
Chatva vidhi. Jashtva vidhi. Then
Jashtra Vidhi first.
Jashtra Vidhi first.
Padanta Jal now. Padanta Jal will be replaced by Jash letter. So Ritvig will become Ritvig only. You need to note this Ritvig is because of Kutva, this Ritvig because of Jashtra Vidhi number 1. Okay, please mark that. Right? So first is Kutvam, second one is Jashtvam. So you get Ritvig. Now the third Kutvam is, the third thing is, again, it becomes Ritvik. This is because of the Kutva Vidhi, second Kutva Vidhi, which we are going to see. That is, this is a Quin Anta Shabda. This is a Quinantam. The suffix quin is added. So Quinantam. Even though it's a Pradipadikam, it's a Quinantam. Because it is a Quinantam, Quinantam will be replaced by Kavarga. It's a rule. Quinantam words will be replaced by Ku. I will add that in the Sandhi chart. It's a new rule which we are seeing now today. It is
This-
8 to 62. Yeah, tell me.
this Karicha will not apply here, Ji?
It will come later.
Oh, okay.
This is 8 to 62. 8 to 62. Karicha will come later. So I'm just typing the sutra. So Quin Pratyayasya Kuhu. That is, Quin Pratyayasya Kuhu means that which has Quin Pratyaya. That which has Quin Pratyaya will be replaced by Ku. That's a rule. So in the Ritvich, it has got Quin Pratyaya, Quinantam. Quin Pratyayasya Kuhu means Quinantam will be replaced by Ku, Kavarga. That is, the words ending with Quin Pratyaya will be replaced by Ku. Kavarga. By Ku means Kavarga letter. Let me write Ku. Will be replaced by Ku. This is the rule. The words, simple rule. The words ending with Quin Pratyaya will be replaced by Ku. This is Kutva Vidhi number 2. If you want, we can make it as Kutva Vidhi number 2. The first Kvittam is Chavarga. Only Chavarga replaced by Kavarga. That is called the first Kutvam. This is the second one. Kutva, not Sandhi. It's a Vidhi. Kutva Vidhi. Let me say just Kutvam. Kutvam number 2. Okay. So words ending with Quin Pratyaya will be replaced by Ku. That much you remember. There are certain words ends which end with twin pratyaya. They are called twin pratyanta shabda. Twin pratyantam. So what this rule says is twin pratyantam will be replaced by ku, and it is 8 to 62. So you have applied in the Ritvich 8 to 39 just with the number 1. Now you have to apply Kuttam number 2. You have to apply Kuttam number 2. Applying that, what you get? You get Ritvik. Now, Ritvik you have got now. So Ritvik, either you can stop with Ritvik, or now you can apply followed by anything. It's a Padanta Kakara, Padanta Jal. So Padanta Jal will be replaced by, when it is followed by Kar, replaced by Char. At the end of the Padam also will be replaced by
Sure.
Char Trividi. So you get Ritvik. So two forms you have, Ritvik or Ritvik. Both are okay. Right? So let me write the rules here. This Ritvik is just Trividi. This is Ritvik. This is Kutta Vidhi number 1. Kuttam number 1. And this is by Jastvam number 1. And further, what happened here? Again, you get Ritvik by adding by the rule, the Kuttam number 2. Then last one is Shartavidi. Chartam, if you apply, you get Ritvik. If you don't apply Chartam, it is Ritvik only. So both are okay. Can you follow this?
Yeah, I have a doubt. This Queen Pratyaya, it is zero content. So how do we know, because no letter is there, how do we know we have to apply this rule? How to find out that?
When you know the language, when you know further rules, you'll understand. But
Okay.
you cannot understand saying that it is zero. There's got a pratyaya. You cannot understand like that. So the Kip pratyaya, Pin pratyaya added to dhatus. Certain dhatus it makes. You can, when you see the pratyayas in detail, that time you will understand how it is. Now we don't know, that's why I'm saying.
Okay.
So Ritvich, the sutra is the Ritvich. I mean, for the sutra says the word Ritvich is a Quinanta. It takes Pin pratyaya. That is, with the Ritu upasarga, the dhatu yaj takes Pin pratyaya. The rule is there. So therefore, I say it is Quinanta. Okay. Now I repeat again what I said now in this. These are the steps involved to follow this. That is, Ritvij is a Quinanta. It's a Quinanta Shabdam. Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya Sakara. When you add, that is dropped. So you get the form Ritvij. Now applying the Kutta Vidhi, Padanta Jal replaced by Kakara, Kutta Vidhi number 1. Then applying Jashta Vidhi, it's a Padanta Jal will be replaced by Jash, which happens to be same Kakara. That is Jashta Vidhi number 1. The third thing is Kuttam number 2, not 1. This is Kuttam number 2. Because this is a Quin Anta Shabda, therefore it is replaced by Ku. It is replaced by Ku. Here the letter Gakara is replaced again by Gakara. Then applying Charpa Vidhi, which is optional. For Padanta it is optional. Now this Padanta Jal, therefore replacement by Kavarga letter, that is Char letter, is optional. Therefore you have Ritvik. So two forms are there, Ritvik or Ritvik. Understand this, all of you?
Yes, Ji. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Shanti.
So please think about this. Yeah. Only one more rule I have introduced, nothing else. Kutva Vidhi number 2. Kutva number 2 I introduced. Just trying to put it in a single line. Okay. So you get just a minute. Okay, so you get Ritvik. Now, Dvitiya Vibhakti will be Dvitiya Vibhakti. Sorry, Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachana. Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachana. Ritvik. Let me derive this also. It's all simple. Ritvij plus how will become Ritvijau. Ritvij plus how will become Ritvijau. Ritvij plus just will become just. The content is us, so therefore you get Ritvij, Ritvijas, and then Ritvijaru, you get Ritvijaha. This we know. Just replacing Ritvij plus Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya will become Ritvijam. Then Ritvij plus out Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachana Pratyaya. So you get Ritvijau again. Ritvijau. Ritvij plus Shas Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya will become Ritvijas. Then Ritvijaru. Then Ritvijaha. Then Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya Ritvij plus Ta will become Ritvija. Ritvij plus Bhyam. Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachana Pratyaya Ritvij plus Bhyam. This you can see. Ritvij plus Bhyam. Here it is. It's going to become Padam. Therefore, you need to see Ritvij plus Bhyam becomes Ritvij is a Padam. Ritvij is a Padam. Therefore, applying the Kutva Vidhi, it's a Padam and also happen to be also followed by a Jal letter. So, any one condition you can apply. So, Ritvij plus Bhyam. What will happen? Ritvij plus Bhyam. Jakara will be replaced by Gakara. That is Kutva Vidhi number 1. Then applying Justa Sandhi number 1. Gakara will be replaced by Gakara. Justa Vidhi number 1. Then you can apply Kutva Vidhi number 2. That becomes Gakara. Then after that you apply Justa Vidhi number 2. Justa Vidhi number 2, it becomes Ritvijam. Follow this. Ritvij plus Bhyam. The first one is Kutva Vidhi number 1. Jakara is replaced by Gakara. Why? Because it's a Padanta Chavarga letter. Therefore, or followed by Jal, Bakara. Bakara is a Jal letter. So Kutva Vidhi number 1 applied. Jakara replaced by corresponding Kavarga letter, which is Gakara. Then Jashtavidi number 1. This is a Padanta Kakara. Jalam Jash. In the place of Jal. In the place of Jal, Jash will be Adesha. So Jashtavidi number 1. Ritvik. Then applying this rule, the new rule what we saw, 8262, with Kuttavidi number 2. Since Ritvik is a Quinanta, so Gakara will be replaced by Kavarga letter. What happens? The same thing comes. Gakara is replaced by Gakara. Then this Jal followed by Jash, Bakara. This is replaced by Jash. That is Jashtavidi number 2. So you get Ritvik Vyam. You all follow this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ji.
So Kutvam number 1, Jashtvam number 1, then Kutvam number 2, Jashtvam number 2. That you will see in Yam, as well as in Bis. The next one also you will see. Just copy paste. This is the Tritiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. So it is Kuttam number 1, so Ritvik plus Bis, and the Jashtavidi number 1. Then this Kuttavidi number 2, Quin Pratyasya Kuhu, like that. And finally, Jashtavidi number 2 you get, becomes Sakara, Ritvik Bihi, right? Then Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachanam, Ritvij plus Nye will become, Ritvij plus Nye becomes Ritvije. All these are simple Melanam. Then Ritvij plus Byam, the same. Ritvij plus Byam. Chaturthi Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Then Chaturthi Vibhakti Bhagavachanam Pratyaya is Vyas. Chaturthi Vibhakti Dvivachanam is Byam, so same, so no problem in that. Then Bhagavachanam is Vyas. That also same as this only the Pratyaya is changing. The form will be Ritvik Vyaha. Ritvik Vyaha. Adanta Sakara replaced by Visarga. Okay. Then, after that, Panchami Ekavachanam. Ritvij plus Nasi. The content of Nasi is us. So, therefore, you get Ritvijaha. You get Ritvijaha. Then Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Vyam, same. So we can copy paste from the Chaturthi Vibhakti Dvivachanam. And Bhagavachanam also we can copy. Both are yes. So it's going to be the same. Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam. Ritvik Vyam, Ritvik Vyaha. Then Shashti Vibhakti. You all understand up to this? Panchami is all same.
Yes.
Vyam base only.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Moving the screen fast, that's why I'm asking. Then Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Ritvij plus Nas. The content of Nas is us. So it becomes Ritvijas. You get the form. Ritvijaha. Ritvij plus Os. Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachanam. It becomes Ritvijos. Then Ritvijogo. Then Bhagavachanam, Ritvij plus Am becomes Ritvijam. Then Saptami Ekavachanam, Ritvij plus Ni. Ritvij plus Ni, the content of Ni is E, so you get Ritviji. Ritvij plus O's, the same as the Shashti Vibhakti. It becomes Ritvijos. Ritvijoho. Then Ritvij plus Su. That is what we are interested in. Ritvij plus Su. Saptami Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. The same thing. Ritvij. First one is Ritvij plus Su. That is after removing the ith letter. Su. Su is Sakara, which is a Jal letter. Or Ritvij is a Padam also. So applying that, you get Ritvig. Ritvig, that is Kuttavidi number 1. Kuttavidi number 1. Then you apply Jashtavidi number 1, Ritvig. Then you apply this Kuttavidi number 2. Kuttavidi number 2 you can apply. This so we can convert later. Kuttavidi number it becomes Ritvig. Kuttavidi number 2. Now you can apply Ritvig plus Su before applying the Chattavidi. Ritvig plus Su. This is Su is the Sakara. Sakara is preceded by Kavarga letter. Therefore, Shattum happens. Why I apply here? Because Shattum is 8.3. It is in 8th chapter, 3rd section, comes after Kuttavidi number 2. Kuttavidi number 2 is 8.2. This is 8.3. And Chattavidi in after that, 8.4. Chattavidi. Applying Chattavidi, Gakara Jal, followed by Khar letter, Shakara. So Chattavidi can apply Ritvig plus Shu, just like Shakara. So you get Ritvig Shu. So these are the steps involved in this. I think it cannot be put in one line. Let me try. Yes. Explain this again. Please listen. Ritvij plus Su, Saptami Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Sup, the content of Sup is Su. Now Ritvij, which is a Pratipadikam as well as a Padam. Now Padam, if we take it as a Padam, then Padanta Jal. So you can apply Kuttavidi number 1. Applying that you get Ritvik. This is Kuttavidi number 1. Second rule is this, since this is a Padam and Padanta Jal, so therefore replaced by Jash letter. This is Jashtavidi number 1. After applying this Jashtavidi, now since this is a Quin Anta, therefore applying Kuttavidi number 2, you get Ritvik. You apply. Then Su, that is Sakara plus U. That Sakara is Pratyaya Sakara, preceded by Kavarga letter. Therefore, Shattum happens. Therefore, Shattum happens for the Sakara. It becomes Shu. Now you can apply Chartavidi, which comes at the end, 8.4 end. Therefore, to be applied later. So, what happens to the letter Gakara? Gakara is a Jal, followed by Kar. So, Jalam Sthane Karadesha becomes Ritvik. So, you get Ritvik Shu. This is how you derive. The same as Vanij only. Nothing changes. Only thing is, one more Vidhi is the Kutta Vidhi. That Kutta Vidhi, here you see, it doesn't make any big impact, but there are, in other Shabda, you will see it is applied. That we will see, it's going to come later. There you will see the significant application of Kutta, making a significant change. You understand this? With which?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this I have added in our Sandhi chart. So Kutta Vidhi, Kuttam number 2. And we learned more rules. Actually, Kuttam number 1 and all we learned. That also to be added. I will add it later. This one I have added. 8 to 62. Words ending with Quin Pratyaya will be replaced by Ku. Now, okay. Now continuing further. In this list of Shabdas, Now you don't have to memorize. In fact, you can easily, if you know the rules, mentally you can apply the rules, get the form. So Jalamuch, you know it. So Halanta Shabda starts from here only. In the Shabda Manjari, Halanta Pullinga Prakaranam starts from here only. So Chakaranta, you know. Then Jakaranta also you know. Jakaranta, same as the Jalamuch only. All Chavarga letters. Putta Vidhi applies. And here Ritvij, the word Ritvij was that it is a specific word because it is a Quinanta Shabda. Therefore, one specific rule required, which we saw now, Putta Vidhi number 2. Then the next one, this also we will see today. This simple one. Jakarantaha, Pullingaha, Raj Shabdaha. Do you remember one more Shabda with the meaning king? What is that Shabda?
Rajan.
Rajan.
Nakaranta.
Nakaranta Shabda. That Shabda's declension will be Raja, Rajanav, Rajana.
Rajan.
Rajanam, Rajanav, Rajnaha. So declension is different. Now you see here, it is Rat, Rajav, Rajaha. How you get Rat, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam? By seeing the word Raj, do you remember something? Some rule? By seeing the word Raj.
First Shatvam.
Shattva Vidhi,
First Shatvam. The
Shattva.
song.
You remember that list of dhatus, I gave you few dhatus. Vrascha, Vrascha, Sruja, Braja, Braja, Raja, Raja. The Raja is there.
Yeah, the partial exception to Kutva Vidhi.
Yes, exactly. So the word Raj is there. Okay. Raja, Braja, Cham, Shaha. Raja, Cham, Shaha. Mudani Shakara, Shaha. So that is what is applied here. That is what we applied. So I will show that. You can see that the rule. Just to have a quick review of, we saw that the miscellaneous rules. In the miscellaneous rule, Chavarga at the end of the Padam followed by Jal will be replaced by Ku, we saw. So for this rule, you can see here, this file, I give an example for Subanta. I give an example for Subanta taking Jalamuch as the example. Already we saw this, we know this. And similarly, I have taken another Shabda Vanich also as example I have given here. So now you can understand, you can connect with this rule and see how it is. These Shabdas are derived. And Tum also. Actually, I introduced this in the context of Tum only. But I have given examples for Subanta also because now you have learned Subanta, so you know it. So later we will see the examples with Tavatu and we are going to see those pratyas. We have not seen, so don't worry about it now. Tavatu, we are yet to see that. So Tum we have seen, Tumanta. So for that, in that context, we have seen this rule. Chavarga replaced by Kavarga rule we saw. But now with these examples, you can understand very well the rule. Chavarga replaced by the examples of Subantas are given. Okay, so this file I will send you later after introducing this pratyaya also, Tavatu, which we are going to see. So this file with all the examples, Subanta, Kridanta, all the examples will be there. Okay, so this is Kutva Vidhi number 1. Now the next one what we saw, the dhatus, Vrascha, Vrascha, Srija, Braja, Yaja, Raja, Braja, these dhatus and the dhatus ending with Chakara or Shakara, Talavi Shakara at the end of the Padam are followed by Jal will be replaced by Murdani Shakara, we know. This is an exception to Kutva Vidhi. Even though these dhatus, what you see here, ending with Chavarga letter, you don't apply Kutva Vidhi. Therefore, it is partial exception to Kutva Vidhi. And along with this rule says that dhatus which end with Chakara as well as Shakara will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara when it is followed by Jal. At the end of the Padam are followed by Jal. Now in this, for this also we have seen, this rule we have seen in the context of Tuman Pratyaya, Krit Pratyaya. Now you will see in the context of Subanta. You can see Raj plus Su. Okay, I have given the examples here itself. Raj plus Su. What will happen? Raj is Jakara. Jakara is a hal followed by this Su. Su is Pratama Vikti Ekvachana Pratyaya. The content is Sakara. That's why Sakara is dropped. So you have Raj. Now what is the difference between this Raj and this Raj? Raj which is on the right hand side and that which is on the left hand side. What is the difference? This
Right
Raj
hand
is
side is a padam.
Padam. This is a Padam. Raj, what is highlighted is a Padam. Now, what is Jakara? Padanta Jakara. Right? Padanta Jakara. Now, Jakara, what will happen to Jakara? Can you apply Kuttavedi number 1? You cannot apply. That is why specifically this rule is given. Right? Can you apply Kuttavedi? Number 1, you cannot apply. You have to apply only this rule. That is 8 to 30. This rule where Raj, specifically the word Raj, the Dhatu is there. So Jakara will be replaced by what now? Will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara. That is what happens here. Raj. Then, so Raj becomes Raj. After that, Raj becomes Rad. Rad. How does it become Rad?
Jala Vichashonte.
Just as Sandhi.
Shashtra.
Just as Sandhi. Because
Yeah.
this is a Jal letter, will be replaced by just letter. Jal letter at the end of the Padam. The condition is important. Jal at the end of the Padam will be replaced by corresponding just letter. Okay. What are the just letter? Jabagada da. Jabagada dash. Shakara is Murdane Shakara. Its Uchcharana Sthanam is, what is Uchcharana Sthanam? Murdanya.
Danya.
Jabagada da. The third letter of all the classes are there. Which class you will select now? Tavarga, because Murdanya. And the Murdanya just letter is Dakara. Therefore, Dakara comes. So now you get Rad. Rad is now, Rad is a Padam. Padanta Dakara. What will happen to Rad now? It becomes Rat. How does it become Rat? Chartvavidhi.
Chaturvidhi.
Rad will become Rat. Rad or Rat, both are okay. No problem. Because Chartvavidhi at the Padanta is optional. So it can be Rad or it can be Rat. If you know this, then the Raj Shabda is over. Do you have any doubt in this Raj declension? Rat. Raj plus Su, you get Raj, and Raj is a Padam. So you don't apply Kutta Vidhi, you apply this Shatta Vidhi. So Jakara will be replaced by Murdanya Shakara by this Shatta number 1, 8 to 30. This is an exception to Tupa. Then applying Jashta Vidhi, you get Rad, and Rad optionally can be replaced by Char letter Rat because Padanta Jal. So you get Rat. So the form Rat is derived. Now you can see the Shabda. Once you know Rat, and after that Raj plus Au, Rajau, Raj plus Jas, Rajaha, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Raj plus Am, Rajam, Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Raj plus Au, Rajau, Bhagavachanam, Raj plus Shas, Rajaha, then Tritiya Vibhakti Raj plus Ta, Raja. Now, Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Raj plus Bhyam. What will happen? Rad Bhyam. How do you get Rad Bhyam? You can see that also I think I have given here. Raj plus Bhyam. First you apply Shatpa Vidhi number 1. Raj. This is Raj, the Jakara. Jakara will be replaced by Murdani Shakara by Shatpa Vidhi number 1. The above rule. Shatpam number 1. That is replaced by Takara, Jashta Vidhi number 1. And again you apply Jashta Vidhi number 2 because followed by Jash letter. So you get Rad plus Byam, Rad Byam. With the form. Okay. So once you have Rad Byam, then it is you can easily say for other forms. That is Bis, Tritya Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Raj plus Bis becomes Rad Bhihi. Then Chaturthi Vibhakti, Raj plus Nye becomes Raje. Then Chaturthi Dvivachanam, Rad Byam. Then Rad Bhyaha, Bhagavachanam. Raj plus Bhyaha, same as the Byam Bis, the same way you can derive that. Raj plus Bhyas becomes Rad Bhyaha. Then Panchami, Raj plus Nasi, Rajaha. Raj plus Byam, Rad Byam, then Rad Bhyaha. Shashti Bhakti, Raj plus Nas becomes Rajaha. Raj plus Os becomes Rajoho. Raj plus Am becomes Rajam. Raj plus Ni becomes Raji. Raj plus Os becomes Rajoho. Saptami Bhakti I am reading. Then Raj plus Su becomes Ratsu. That also same. Only thing is it's Chartha Vidhi is applied. So therefore here Rad Bhyaha, Rad Bis is Rad Bihi is there. So there Chartha Vidhi is applied. Therefore Dakara becomes Takara. You get Ratsu. Like Vanikshu, Ritpikshu, the same way. You follow the Shabda?
Yes, Ji.
Yes, sure.
The same way Samraj, Parivraj, Vishwasraj, all these Shabdas you can decline. So let us chant this Shabda. You can repeat. Jakarantaha, Pullingaha, Raj Shabdaha.
Dakarantaha, Pullingaha, Raj Shabdaha.
Rat, Rajo, Rajaha.
Rajo, Rajaha.
Rajam, Rajo, Rajaha.
Rajam, Rajo, Rajaha.
Raja, Radbyam, Radbihi.
Raja, Radhyam, Radhihi.
Raje, Radbyam, Radbyaha.
Raje, Radhyam, Radhyaha.
Rajaha, Radbyam, Radbyaha.
Radhyam, Radhyaha.
Rajaha, Rajoho, Rajam.
Rajoho, Rajam.
Raji, Rajoho, Ratsu.
Raji, Rajoho, Ratsu.
He Rad, He Rajo, He Rajaha.
Virat, Virajo, Virajaha.
This file I can send you, but it has got other rules, other forms will be there. Don't get confused with that. You go through this file only what you understand. This Tavatu we have not seen. We are going to see after this, after Tumun, Tva, Liya Pratyaya, which is what we have been discussing in the last class. We'll continue. After that, we will see this. This file has got other many rules. So we will see that whatever you understand, you can go through the file. I'll be using this file for further classes, I'll be adding more and more rules. So today I'll send you after this class. Okay? Just keep it with you. You can refer this file. And whatever the rules are here, all these will be copied to the Sandhi chart. So Sandhi chart will have the total summary of all the rules, including the Sandhi rules and other general vidhis. Okay. So these few rules what we are seeing often, that it's important rules. Kutvam, Shatvam number 1 and all. And one more Kutvam we have introduced today. Okay. So knowing that now you know Jalamuch, it started with that, and Vanich and Raj also you know. Most Shabdas like that, you will see. You'll be able to easily decline without memorizing. So I want to ask you to these Shabdas to memorize. Ajanta Shabdas are important that you need to remember, memorize. These Shabdas are easy. You can easily decline. You can easily derive. The same rules are going to come again and again. So You cannot miss it. Now, please type your name in the chat box. Now we will see some Kridanta. Tva pratyaya, what we are seeing in the last class. After Tva, we will see Lyap pratyaya. I'll give you a summary of this. Summary, I mean the forms of these dhatus. Taking Tva, Lyap pratyaya, what happens to that? Tva, Lyap as well as Tuman. I'm preparing, it takes some time. So when it is done, I will send you that. Now please type your name in the chat box. I think first person is Sundarji. Please read. Abhyasa 157. Now we are going to continue the topic. Vanta.
Chatraha patam patati.
Yes.
Tippanim likati.
Tippani is notes. Tippanim likati.
Tippanim likati.
Tippani is ikaranta strilinga shabda. Tippani, tippani, tippanyau, tippanyah. Okay, tippani.
Chatraha patam patitva tippanim likati.
Yeah, so purvam paschat is a purva kriya and paschat kriya. So patam patitva, purvam patam patitva, paschat tippanim likati. That is the meaning. Even if you don't supply purvam paschat, it is understood. That is the meaning tva has got. When you add tva, it means purva kriya. And the following kriya, paschat kriya. So the same sentence, chatram purvam patam patitva, we can say, but purvam is redundant. The same meaning only. Purvam patam patitva, paschat, after that, later, tippanim likati. That's why it says purvam paschat. Continue.
Krushakaha bhumim kanati sasyam ropayati. Krushakaha bhumim kanitva sasyam ropayati.
Yes. Ropayati is, how do you get ropayati? Ruk dhatu, causative form. Okay. Becomes ropayati, causative.
Acharyaha patam patayati prashnam pruchati. Acharyaha patam patayitva prashnam pruchati. Krishnaha ratam sthapayati arjunam upadishati. Krishnaha ratam sthapayitva arjunam upadishati.
Patayati, paddhatu, causative. It's a nijanta. Stapayati also causative. Stadhatu. Stapayati. Stadhatu. Sta plus tva. What is the form you get? Stitva. Sta plus tva is stitva. But stapayati is, sta means to place, to stand. Stapayati is causing to place, causing to stand. Stapayati. Krishnaha ratam stapayati. He is a driver, that was stapayati. He places the, cause the chariot to be parked, to be placed. So causative form, sta, and one pakara comes in between. So puk agama, stapayati. So it's a causative, stapayitva. Stitva, stapayitva. Stitva having placed. Stapayitva, stitva having, placed, yes, having, it's causing to place, causing to park. It means parking only, that's the meaning, having placed, stapayati.
Arakshakaha davati choram grinnati.
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 Ninth ganadatu, grinnati.
Arakshakaha davitva choram grinnati.
Grinnati. Okay, next person, Ramaji.
That's mission.
Oh, sorry, your name is yeah, please read.
Kavihi kavyam likhati dhanam prapnoti. So kavihi kavyam likitva dhanam prapnoti.
Yes. So all the words you know. Likati, kriya padam, likdatu. right? Likdatu, likati, latlakara, prathama purushana, ekvachanam, kriyapadam. And kavyam is karma, kavya shabda. It is napumsakalinga, akarantaha, napumsakalinga shabda. So it is karma, that was dvitiya bhakti ekvachanam. Kavihi is the karta, the prathama bhakti ekvachanam. Dhanam is, what is dhanam here? Dhanam also karma only.
Karma. That.
Dvitiya bhakti ekvachanam. Prapnoti is also kriyapadam. What is abhigitam? What is denoted by the prapnoti kriya? Kavihi is a karta. So kriyapadam will denote karta in kartari prayoga. In active voice sentences, kriyapadam will denote karta. Karta is directly denoted by the kriyapadam. Prapnoti means kaha prapnoti only will ask, not kam prapnoti. Prapnoti kaha kavihi. Prapnoti, the ti denotes the karta. The ti is titaha and ti. In kartari prayoga, we use this suffixes titaha and ti. In karmani, something will come. Ti only, but something comes in before that. But we will see. We are going to see that later. So, the kadati, davati, all this, they denote karta. Therefore, kartari prayoga. If karma is denoted by the kriya padam, then it is karmani prayoga.
And
Okay.
if you apply tumun to this, does it become praptum or?
You can say, if you want to say dhanam praptam,
Dhanam
kavyam
praptum
likati.
kavyam likati.
Yes, if that is your vivaksha, you can say. Yes. You can use tumun. Tumun is added to the paschat kriya. So you can say, for all these sentences you can write. Tippanim likitam patam patati. Sasyam ropayitum bhumim kanati. Prashnam prashtum patam patayati. You can make Arjunam upadeshtum ratam stapayati Krishnaha. You can make. Continue.
Then
Vanaraha, number 7.
Vanaraha phalam khadati dhavati. So Vanaraha phalam khaditum dhavati.
But this exercise is meant for tva pratyaya and for idhi. So you can use tva.
Khaditva dhavati.
Yes.
Shishuhu patati rodanam karoti. Shishuhu
Patitva.
patitva rodanam karoti.
Yeah. So you have to spot the dhatu. Patati, kadati. But stapayati, how do you spot the dhatu? It's a causative form. So stapa, stapaya, stapayitva. Okay.
Right. Pitamaha katham kathayati prashnam pritchati. Pitamaha katham
Katham.
kathayitva.
Yes.
Katham kathayitva prashnam pritchati. Balika nrityati janan toshayati. Balika nartitva
Good.
janan toshayati.
Jantosh. Ramaji now.
Yeah. Janani snanam karoti, pakam karoti. Janani snanam kritva, pakam karoti. Chatraha adhyapakam pashyati, namaskaroti. Chatraha adhyapakam drishtva namaskaroti. Yuvakaha chitralayam gacchati, chitram pashyati. Yuvakaha chitralayam gatva, chitram pashyati. Balika Geetam Shrunoti Nrityati. Balika Geetam Shrutva Nrityati. Balakaha Jananim Smarati Rodanam Karoti. Balakaha Jananim Smartva Rodanam Smritva Rodanam Karoti.
Yeah, why? It's not smartva.
Yeah, Smrita. Okay.
Yes. Smartum possible, but smartva only.
Smritva.
Next person, Sumati ji.
Yeah. Tvam dugdam pibasi kridasi. Tvam dugdam pitva kridasi.
Yes.
then शिष्यः प्रश्नं पृच्छति उत्तरं जानाति. शिष्यः प्रश्नं पृष्ट्वा उत्तरं जानाति. then भवतः देवं नमति प्रार्थनां करोति. भवतः देवं नत्वा प्रार्थनां करोति.
Yes.
युवकः दुरभ्यासं त्यजति.
Bad practices.
सज्जनः भवति. Okay.
Yes.
सज्जनः भवति. So here युवकः दुर्भ्यासं त्यक्त्वा सज्जनः भवति.
Yes.
बालकाः क्रीडन्ति गृहं गच्छन्ति. बालकाः क्रीडित्वा गृहं गच्छन्ति.
Yes. All of you are doing good. This is simple. But that don't want to make the class heavy because I thought the twin pratyaya sekugu maybe would have been heavy. So making it very light. This is very simple. This top pratyaya, and you are altering the forms correctly. So prishdhatu is prishtva. If it is gam, becomes gatva. Nam becomes natva. If it is smru, smrtva. So you see the dhatus and certain, you can group the dhatus according, it's based on the similarity of the form it takes. So that's what I'm doing it. So you will see set of dhatus, which when it takes the tum pratyaya, artva pratyaya, it will have the forms, similar forms. So dhatus grouped based on the similar forms. Be easy to remember. Once I do it, I'll send you that. You can go through that. Yes, the next person, Krishnanji.
Yes. सः विद्यालयं गच्छति पाठं पठति. सः विद्यालयं गत्वा पाठं पठति. बालिका फलं खादति, जलं न पिबति. बालिका फलं खादित्वा जलं न पिबति. रमेशः दुग्धं पिबति, शयनं करोति. रमेशः दुग्धं पीत्वा शयनं करोति. अहं श्लोकं वदामि, अर्थं बोधयामि. अहं श्लोकं वदित्वा अर्थं
What becomes uditva?
उदित्वा. अहं श्लोकं उदित्वा अर्थं बोधयामि. Uditva is Vakara becoming Samprasaranam?
Yes. We saw it before this, the same book, before we saw that.
सा पुस्तकं पठति भोजनं करोति. सा पुस्तकं पठित्वा भोजनं करोति.
Okay, Kameshwari.
अहं कार्यं करोमि, विद्यालयं गच्छामि. अहं कार्यं कृत्वा विद्यालयं गच्छामि. ते चित्रं पश्यन्ति, आनन्दम् अनुभवन्ति. ते चित्रं दृष्ट्वा आनन्दम् अनुभवन्ति. भवन्तः गीतं शृण्वन्ति, चायं पिबन्ति. भवन्तः गीतं श्रुत्वा भवन्तः गीतं श्रुत्वा चायं पिबन्ति. वयं धनं यच्छामः दद्मः. वस्तूनि क्रीणीमः. वयं धनं
So what is the dhatu?
Yach or tad.
What is the dhatu? Dhatu is
Yach.
da dhatu, that is within given within the bracket. Da plus twa becomes
Datwa.
not
Datwa.
datwa.
Okay. We did that. Datwa. Vayam dhanam datwa vastuni krinimah. Saha palani nayati jananye dadati. Saham palani नीत्वा सह फलानि नीत्वा जनन्यै ददाति.
So we can stop here. You can please note this page number. You can tell me next class. 298, 158. We'll start from the next class, 11th sentences onwards. So we can stop here. Do you have any doubts in the Subanta, what we saw now? Can you all follow?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sharanji.
Yes, Ji.
I'll send you the file. You can just go through the science rules. You're going to see all the rules when you see the next topic. The next topic will be Shatru Shanaj.
That Sattvam, Shatvam, Natvam rules are also in this file, Sharanji.
Oh, that I
Yeah,
forgot.
that has to be.
Forgot. Okay. You please send me a reminder. Okay, send that also.
Sharanji, I've
Um,
got one doubt.
Yes.
This
please.
Raja is a Pratipadikam and we're declining it.
Raj is a Pratipadika.
Raj.
Yes.
So here, when we took the
So Raj is it's got a pratyaya added. It's Raj the Dhatu. A zero suffix pratyaya is added. It becomes Raj Pratipadikam. So
Right.
Quip pratyaya is added.
So here also Pit Pratyaya is added.
Yes, Quip, not Quin. Quip. Quip
Right.
pratyaya.
Right, Sharanji.
If it is Quin, then you have to apply the Kutva rule. You have to apply, but doesn't apply. We apply only there is a Shatva. If it is a Quin, Jakara becomes Gakara, then becomes a Rak, but that is not the form. So therefore we can infer it is not Quin, it is Quip.
Right.
Okay.
Which is why we apply this exception to the rule of
Yes.
Swa, because it applies to Dhatu. So here Raj is a Dhatu and that's why we apply.
Yeah, Raj is a Dhatu and the Pratyaya is Quip Pratyaya.
And then it becomes a Pratipadika.
Pratipadikam, yes.
Right. I understand. Thank you, sir.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್.
Dhanyawada, sir.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ, Sharanji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.